Right, guys, good morning. I'm about to catch a breakout on gold, so we're going to go ahead and place that together. Stops at 32.13, so that is a 30 pip stop loss. Looking for the continuation there on gold. Price action looks great. Literally looking for the breakout, taking out these highs. So let's go ahead and actually draw that in together. I want to actually see a move above 32.19. So hence the breakout trade with a very small stop loss. What I can do is obviously trail my risk as it breaks out, but let's see how the trade plays out. So if we have a breaking closure of 32.19, I'm going to be in a position to then potentially trail my risk, but add to this trade as it breaks out and as we trail the risk and as it continues higher. But we'll have to see because price can technically still stop me out. Nothing is guaranteed in this game. So $500 in the red there, not great. I have 1,000 overall risked on this position. Gold is always a little bit riskier, and the ranges are a lot wider, so I need to factor that in. But looking for a move above 32.19 there, guys. I have had better entries. This is definitely not my best entry yet, but price, in my opinion, volume's really exploding higher. So this is a quick jump on the back of it, look for fresh highs, trail the risk sort of scenario. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, I think I sniped the top, which is not ideal, but when trying to catch the breakout, obviously I missed this. I had somewhere to be. I had 2 coffees and I had somewhere to be. And I obviously missed this. Ideally, looking at the price action wise, yeah, where my initial entry would have been is this price action break of structure that we've had here on the lower time frames, because that means the market's breaking out into the London session. I want to jump on the back of it. That would have been 70 pips higher already that we would have been in profit, but not a problem. We've obviously just looked at the next breakout. I'm actually looking for this to continue because we did take out some previous highs on the left here. So let's see how it goes. Drop in the comments right now whether you think it will hit stop loss or whether this runs to TP before you carry on watching. No cheating. So looking for this push there, guys. Super slow. I really thought this was going to be a breakout with a 30 pip stop, because I love that, by the way. If I can go in with a 30, 40 pip stop loss and catch that move, I don't mind having that small safety net, but I'm looking for that breakout. So let's see. Worst entry ever. Snipe the top. It's quite funny. Murphy's Law. There we go. Volume's coming in. That's why I ideally wanted at the start of the position. But volume pushing up there nicely now, guys. Still looking for 32.19. Look at that. Look at that. This is breakout volume. So you want to jump on the back of it and obviously look for that move higher. So 32.19 first target. Boom. Big explosion. Let's go. Look at that volume. Love a bit of volume. Look at that. 32.19. I mean, inevitable. Inevitable. There we go. Begin to trail the risk there. A breaking closure of 32.19. I may add to the trade. This is a very, very big level on the higher time frames. If you just look left there. So I may add to this position as I'm looking for 32.25. So that's an extra 60 pips higher. But let's see. What a move. 32.19. I mean, doesn't get any better than that, does it? Beautiful. Beautiful volume. Look at that. So very, very big level there, if you can see on the left on your screen right now. Any break above that, then I'm looking for 32.25. So I may be able to add to this position very, very soon. Look at that volume. Beautiful volume. Right, beautiful volume. I'll get my order window open there. We may be able to add to this very soon, and I'll do half. Oh, look at that volume. Right, if we see 2K, I'm closing. Great volume, to be honest. Phenomenal volume. Really, really good volume. Look at that. Come on. Phenomenal volume. There it is. We're approaching 2K. Thanks for watching. Great trade. Done. See you later.